Hey, what's up guys, it's Fireball Airsoft here, and first off I'd like to say sorry for not uploading in like 2 or 3 weeks. Just had a lot of stuff going on. Secondly, you probably see by the title, I'm no longer going to be able to play at Alaska Airsoft Battlegrounds because I have moved. I knew this was inevitable, but now I'm in the California area, around Sacramento, so expect gameplay from places like GamePod, Airsoft Ministry, and CTB City Airsoft. Yeah, I'd just like to say thank you, Alaska Airsoft Battlegrounds. You guys have done so much for me, and I enjoyed playing at your field. Also, they that scope cam that they let me keep, that they let me use, the Norbridge clip cam. Yeah, they said I could keep it, so I really appreciate you guys. I hope the best for you, for all of you there. If you ever see those videos in my video, if you're ever in the Alaska area, please check them out. If you play Airsoft, even if you don't, it's a pretty good field to start at, and it's a pretty good field to play at. But yeah, that's about it. See you guys.
Green team, are you ready?
Maybe.
3, 2, 1, go! Already dead. If you shoot me again, I will shoot you.
I am. Hit.
Thank you.
Oh shit, my bad, man. My fault, man.
Oh, shit. Come around. I hit him too. I don't know why he's still alive.
Ah, Titanic! Friendly fire!
Hey, one on door crack.
Hit. Good one, man. Hit. Hit. Oh, that's not a wall. This is the way, okay. Hi, Anthony. Anthony, I'm behind you. Hi. I was staring at you for like a good minute behind there. I'm late to the match, but that's like whatever. Hit. Gun hit. Yo, my sight ain't even on,
This is
dog.
really unfortunate for you.
Please don't. Hit. Dead man. Here you go. There's a different mag. Fuck, that's a 9mm mag.
ARP. I got it.
Oh. Oh my god, I snapshot that dude. I'm sorry, no.
I'm not. Fuck you.
My gun's not raised. God damn.
4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Oh shit.
Ah, hit!
One, two, 3, 4, 5. 2. Whoa, someone's gas is cooking out.
Hey, hey,
Yo.
me.
Alright.
Hey, me.
Go. Move, move, go, 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 go.
Look at you guys. You guys think you're freaking cool. You guys think you're so cool. Oh my gun. My gun's out. My gun's out. I'm dead. My gun's out.
Oh, you suck.
My gun's too fucking long.
Video of you right now.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's the,
Hey, get on my way.
what's the dead,
30 seconds.
30?
Yeah. Yes, you go. You're good.
Dead man coming.
Wait.
Whoa.
Are you on my team?
Wait, you just revived me.
Did I? No, I didn't revive
Just
anyone.
had that guy come over and touch me. Well, no rock, so I surrender.
Hey, you walk away. I'll let you kill my entire team. I don't give a fuck. Just don't kill me. Deal? Deal? Deal.
I got you, brother. Alright. Yeah, bro. Oh.
Hey, kill this man. He an enemy. Hit. Hey, if you revive me, I won't kill you. I promise.
How long is it? Like 5
That's
seconds?
good.
Alright. I got it.
Okay.
Chicken on me could've went by the Williams. The Rudy's a big ass.
Hit.
Ain't no how different bracket, just like it's in Mac. If you hit me for both, you know.
Hey, no.
Hit.
Now you did.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. No. Don't do that.
Oh, thank you.
Ow. Wajay, come die with me. Come bleed out with me.
I'm dying, James. James, listen closely.
I'm listening.
Listen, I'm gonna miss you when you're gone. Okay?
I'm gonna miss you too.
Okay.
Okay.
You gotta tell my wife I love her. Okay.
I don't know if I could do that. I don't know who your wife is.
Just take care of my wife. Just make sure she's, you know, loved, if you know what I mean.
I'll give her copious amounts of creatine.
Thank you. Thank you. 5, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Fuck, I literally shot you earlier. One. I killed one. Good fight, dude. Ah, good shit, dude. Good shit. Yeah, good shit.
Trade it.
Out of ammo.
Huh?
You're dead.
Oh.
I think we're all out of ammo. No, I was just saying, I was running him out of ammo. Good!